Ever wonder where the carbon in your body comes from or where it goes when you breathe out? Today, we're looking at the carbon cycle, the amazing, continuous process that moves carbon through our air, land, oceans, and every living thing on Earth. Remember, carbon isn't created or destroyed, it's just moved. Our journey begins in the air. Carbon exists here as carbon dioxide, or CO2. It's the starting point for a lot of the magic that happens in this cycle.
Plants are the heroes here. They take that atmospheric CO2 and, using energy from sunlight, turn it into food for themselves and oxygen for us.
Next, we have consumption. Animals, including us, eat those plants or other animals, moving that stored carbon into our own bodies.
But what happens to that carbon? Through cellular respiration, living things use food and oxygen for energy. As a waste product, we breathe out CO2 back into the air, returning carbon to the atmosphere.
When plants and animals die, the cycle doesn't stop. Decomposers like bacteria and fungi break down that dead matter, releasing CO2 back into the atmosphere.
Humans also play a role through combustion. When we burn wood or fossil fuels for energy, we release large amounts of CO2 directly into the atmosphere.
Finally, our oceans act as a massive carbon sink. They dissolve and store about 1/3 of the atmospheric CO2 in seawater, playing a vital role in balancing our climate.
And just like that, the cycle continues. From the air, to plants, to animals, back to the air, and into the ocean, carbon is constantly on the move. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.